In this video, I'm going to show you a way in which you can actually earn money without, worrying about making sales every single day. It doesn't matter if you're in a big city or if you're in a small town. This strategy works if you decide to be consistent in its application. It is actually working for others, including me. So there is no reason why you should not get, some kind of success with it if you decide to be consistent. By the way, guys, this is not a get rich scheme. I'm going to show you everything step by step, including my back office and all the strategy and all the tools, so you have everything. So hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. Okay, I'm going to show you everything, what is it actually all about, so you have all the information and all the strategy. Remember, guys, that you need to be consistent and serious about doing this if you really want to earn good money. Okay, this is with something that we call affiliate marketing, but it's not like regular affiliate marketing. Just in case that this is the very first time you're listening to this term, basically this is actually you. And there is someone who decides to create a product or a service, but they don't know how to promote it. They don't know how to find these people. So they are willing to pay you a percentage of the sale. Okay. And there is someone here, we're going to call it the lead, who is like, okay, I have a problem. I have a situation that I would like to know, but I don't know how to solve it. So basically you're like, hey, you have this problem? Oh, yes. Okay, go here, and this is actually the solution. And if the person that you refer make the purchase, you're gonna be earning the commission. Okay, by nature we are always referring people. If you have a great experience at the restaurant, you're gonna refer a lot of people to go to that restaurant and have the same experience, but you're not gonna get any commission. If you went to the movie theater and you watch a movie and you enjoy the experience, the popcorn was amazing, you feel comfortable, the air condition was great, the big screen and the surround sound and everything was amazing, you're gonna refer people to watch the exact same movie on the exact same theater and buy the things that you purchased, but you're not gonna get any commission. So you're gonna see that this is something that we guys do by nature, but hey, we can earn money with this. But with regular affiliate marketing, this is what happened. Okay, let's say that you start today. Okay, on the very first month, you did a couple of sales and you're like, okay, everything's good because I did a couple of sales. Then on the next month, you are on fire. Let's say that you did 10 sales. So you earn money from this and you earn money from this. But then something happened and you're not making any money or any sale here. So you make zero. Then again, boom, you are on fire. You're making sale. Then you're making a couple. You're making sale, you're earning commission. But this is regular affiliate marketing. My suggestion, guys, is what called with recurring commissions. Okay, promote a product, in this case, in which they are willing to pay you month after month after month. Okay, I'm going to show you which product it is. So that means that if you get started and you make 2 sales, by the way, you're going to be already in profit. You're going to be earning commission. Fantastic. Then on the next month, you make 2 sales. Okay, so you have 2 and you make 2. So you're going to get paid for 4 sales, not just for 2. Then on the next month, something happened and you did not make a new sale. Okay, traditionally speaking, you're going to be really sad. But guess what? You have 4 people. And they keep paying the service, so you are gonna get paid for those people, and you make 0 work. Okay, so this is actually really powerful because it's like a snowball effect. It's growing month after month after month, and if for whatever reason you decide to take a break, you're not gonna be scratching your head like, oh my god, what are we gonna do? Okay, first of all, click the very first link, and you're gonna be landing here on this page. Okay. This is a $25 product, and I'm going to show you more about it. Okay, click here where it says, yes, I want this 25 all-in-one business product. They give you everything, the funnel builder, they give you the training, community, mastermind. Okay, so make sure that you're going to fill out this information with your first name, your last name, valid email address, okay, a phone number, your billing address. Okay, and also make sure that you're going to take this. Why? Because you're going to have extra training. You're going to have it for 2 weeks for free, and I'm going to show you more about it in a moment. Right now, you're just going to pay $25 and you're going to have all the features. Okay, I'm going to show you which are those features. Okay, so then what you're going to do is that, okay, you're going to log in on the training. Okay, right now, because I want you to get results as soon as possible, go here where it says affiliate zone. Okay, here on the affiliate zone, let me log in again. Okay, here on the affiliate zone, you are going to have all the information about how this works. Please make sure that you're going to be watching these 4 videos. Okay, and please make sure that you're going to be configuring here the SAM card. Okay, this is going to be your affiliate area. These guys are paying 80% commission. Okay, they are doing the customer service. They already built the product, which is amazing. They have an amazing community. Okay, so we just need to promote it, and I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. Okay, but please make sure that you're going to be watching these 4 videos because we need to be all in the same page. Okay, so once you have your SAM card ID, this is actually how it's going to look like. The link that we're going to be using is this one, the all-in-one business sales letter. Okay, this is the one that we're going to be using. Okay, so you're going to be referring people to this, which is basically a funnel builder. Okay, if you click here where it says the HBA Funnel Builder Academy, you're going to see that they're going to show you how you can set up a funnel, okay, in which you can use to promote different products and different services. Okay, let me show you more inside this so you can have a better idea, because I'm actually using it. Okay, this is actually the funnel builder. I do have here different funnels. Okay, so you're gonna see I do have different pages, and this is actually working really amazing. Okay, and okay, after that, what you need to do is this. Okay, you need to drive traffic. Okay, so most people are like, okay, I don't know, I have a great product, but I don't know how to promote it. Okay, don't worry, because the HBA, the Home Business Academy, got you covered. That's the reason why you're getting access to the HBA Premium Traffic and Conversion. Okay, so you are gonna get not only the traffic source that I'm gonna show you, but you're gonna also gonna get other traffic sources as well. Okay, the one that I'm gonna be using is this one. It's my Legit Secret. That's the link number 2. Okay, literally you're gonna be paying $1 per day, and you're gonna have 100 leads per day. You can have as many accounts as you want, and I'm gonna show you a strategy of how you can earn the most with this. Okay, my lead gen secret says this. Okay, we have people who are in the make money online industry. They are ready, to purchase a product or service because they are looking for ways to make money online. So you have your first account, then this account refer another account, and then you have, let's say that you have a third account. Okay, so as soon as you refer someone, it doesn't matter if you just refer one person, you are not going to be getting 100 leads, but you're going to be getting 200. Okay, so this one is going to get 200, and this one is going to get 100. So you're going to be getting 500 leads per day just by having 3 accounts. Okay, you can start with 1 and then you can add the others, but remember that if you go just with 1, you're going to get just 100 leads per day. Okay, so now that you have the account, let me log in here like really fast. Okay, so I'm gonna log in here on my account. You're gonna notice that on this account I'm getting 200 leads per day. You're gonna go with the mailing system. Okay, with this system you can actually email these people who are interested in making money online one time every 24 hours. So now I'm gonna choose here where it says select all, and I'm gonna be writing an email, and I'm gonna show you how everything works. Okay, so this is actually how the email look like. Let me make some changes, and then I'm going to be showing you a preview. Okay, first of all, it's going to be first name. Okay, where do I get the code? Here where it says first name. Okay, I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, so the size is actually going to be 16. Okay, I'm going to choose the 16. The link, it's going to be bold, so I'm going to make it bold. And now I need my link. So where do I get my link? Here on SendCard. Remember, this is the link that I'm going to be sharing. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So I'm going to make a little bit more space. Let me click here where it says preview so you can see how it actually looks like. So it says affiliates, happy holidays, the name, I have to say, bam, 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 bam. Okay. It's short, straight to the point, and people are like, okay, there is a way in which I can earn $20 every single day. Okay, so write it down or taking a screenshot. Now we're gonna click here where it says perfect timing, because we want to make sure that they're gonna get it on the best time, and we're gonna click here where it says send email. Oops, there's one thing that I almost forget to click here where it says select all. Okay, so I'm sending this message to over 20,000 people. I have been using this account for some time right now, so this is something that you need to take into consideration. And now I'm gonna need to wait. Okay, if I want to get more, have the opportunity to send more emails. Okay, so remember, you can have one account and you can send 100 emails. So don't be like, oh, it's just 100. By the end of the month, it's going to be 3,000 leads. Okay, but of course, if you have 3 accounts, remember that 500 per day, so that's going to be 15,000 leads. Okay, so if you can go with 3 or more accounts, good. If you can just go with 1, that's okay. You can be growing. Okay, because this is going to be like a snowball. Okay, you're going to have more leads, you're going to have more people who are going to be interested in what you have to offer. And remember what I told you, this is going to be recurring commission, so you're going to be earning money month after month after month. They have, remember, great community, okay, which is invaluable. Okay, they do have great training. Okay, they have already the funnel builder. They have basically all the tools that they need. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you do, just give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and I see you on the next video.